Hi, my name is Antonio. Thank you for your interest in learning more about Stucco homes and water intrusion. The Stucco homes built since the late 80s have had a lot of water intrusion problems. This water damage is usually impossible to find during a normal home inspection. The good news is that we have a reliable method to test for water intrusion. Testing for moisture is a three-step process. We drill small holes in the locations where water might show up. We test the wall sheathing for water intrusion using a moisture meter, and then we fill the holes with caulk of a matching color. We do a great job of selecting caulk of a matching color, so you can't even tell where we tested the stucco. After the on-site testing, we put together a report that it shows the areas that we tested. Most importantly, it explains what all this means for someone buying a stucco home. If you're buying a newer home with stucco or stone veneer, it's important to have the home tested for moisture to avoid costly repairs to the walls and the structure. If you have any questions about stucco testing, call our office today.